The Vietnam gas president Dong Han Shaho has taken a bold to sweep African leadership, and Kenya in particular. Dong Han Shaho accused them of lacking a long-term vision and a serious execution culture that continues to stall the continent development. As you go, remember to like, to share, and subscribe to Digital Investigative. Speaking after meeting with President William Samoei Ruto and Prime Cabinet Secretary Musalia Mudavadi in Nairobi, Donald Shaho painted a grim picture of Kenya's investment climate despite the government's ambitious economic transformation. Dong Han Shaho argued that the problem in Kenya and much of Africa is not lack of money or lack of talent, but a system deeply entrenched in short-term political performances rather than sustainable development in Africa. As you go, remember to drop your comment and share your views about what he said. Dong Han Shaho used the electricity supply as the key indicator for drawing comparison between Kenya and his home country, Vietnam. Dong Han Shaho claimed that the government only performs when preparing for the next door to visit or summit. He was especially critical of Kenyan infrastructure priorities, citing Nairobi-Mombasa Expressway as a flashy but disconnected investment. Remember to subscribe to Digital Investigative and drop your comment. Thank you for watching this video.